Let's move to Poonch in Jammu and Kashmir, where the Sikh and Muslim organizations have joined hands to provide assistance to patients suffering from tuberculosis. The patients will be provided free of cost nutrition kits with the aim to fulfill the government's aim to eradicate the deadly disease that spreads from person to person through the air.
These youngsters are carrying out an awareness rally in the Poonch district of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir as a part of the National TB Elimination Program. Tuberculosis, TB, is a disease caused by germs that are spread from person to person through the air. It usually affects the lungs, but it can also affect other parts of the body such as the brain, the kidneys or the spine. A person with TB can die if they do not get an early treatment. To fulfill the government's aim to eradicate the disease, the District Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee and Muslims of Zia-ul-Uloom School of Education stepped forward to provide the extensive support to the patients suffering from tuberculosis.
गवर्नमेंट अपनी तरफ से, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट अपनी तरफ से तो सब कुछ कर रहा है, लेकिन एज ए कम्युनिटी हमारा भी फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि उनकी सपोर्ट करें, उनको आगे आकर उनकी सहायता करें। इसी कॉन्टेस्ट में हमारे इदारा जामिया ज़िया-उल-उलूम ने 10 जो ऐसे पेशेंट्स हैं टीबी के, उनको अडॉप्ट किया है। उनको राशन किट्स दी गई हैं और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आगे भी इसको कंटिन्यू करें।
Tuberculosis disease can be treated through proper medication and nutritious food. The initiative by the religious and educational organizations will help eradicate tuberculosis under the National Tuberculosis Control Program. This clearly reflects how people of diverse faiths stand united to fight against any syndrome that affects mankind.
मैं इन्ना कहना चाहांगा कि हर व्यक्ति ਦਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਕਿਸਮ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਡਾਪਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਲਿਹਾਜ਼ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ।
Poonch district is a remote border area where the people living in the far-flung and rural areas have fewer facilities. The initiative by religious and educational institutions to eradicate tuberculosis will benefit not only the patients but the government in reaching out to needy people. India has many such examples where people of diverse faiths are united to serve mankind.